there, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty LLC in Portland, Oregon. And today on our Dear Claire series, we are trying to explain the current housing market. I mean, I don't know, I could talk for 20 minutes about this, so I'm gonna try and hit the highlights. If you have been living under a rock, the interest rates have doubled. They went from about 3 to about 6%. That's knocked out a huge swath of buyers, and so lenders have been scrambling to figure out a way to get people in houses. So they've come up with a lot of interesting ways to make it a little more affordable for you. So one, that's super interesting and useful. Prices have fallen. Not as much as everyone wanted them to, and not as much as everyone anticipated, but they have fallen a little bit. If you imagine the speedometer, we've been going at like 120 miles an hour in the seller's range, right? So I think what we're seeing is we're gonna start going the speed limit. Everybody's gonna just start working like a normal freeway. So, you know, this market's gonna be maybe around 55 miles an hour and not quite at 120, we're in the red. There are still opportunities for buyers. Prices have gotten a little bit less crazy. And there's still great opportunity for sellers. It does still look like we're starting to see appreciation, the normal appreciation that we see starting at this time of year. So here we are, end of January. This is about when we start to see that curve ticking up on our appreciation for the year. So it's going to turn out to be a real interesting year. And I am looking forward to seeing if any of my predictions for 6 months from now are true. But I think we're going to see just a solid appreciation gain, not quite the insanity that we've seen the last 3 years, but buyers, it's still a good time to buy. Sellers, it's still a good time to sell. What about that? Maybe we'll have a normal market for once in 10 years. Tune in and we'll see. Y'all take care. We'll see you soon.